Hello all, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be discussing a pretty interesting and important topic related to HashSet in .NET. How to implement a HashSet properly, or what are the things that you need to take care while implementing a HashSet of custom data type. So before jumping on to the video, I would like to request everyone to like and subscribe this particular channel to get notification of the latest contents that I'm posting. I do have a blog post to see in the description box. I will share the link to the blog post, which will have elaborate contents related to programming concepts. Uh, Continuing to the video. Uh, Therefore, I have currently used or created an instance of HashSet. I use the HashSet data structure of a custom data type called node. So if you try to see what node is, a node is nothing but a plain data class which contains some properties like identifier, value, and description. And it contains, therefore, I have implemented one interface called IEqualityComparer of node. I will I will justify why I have implemented this interface uh, later on. And this interface, there are two APIs that are defined in this interface. One is the equals API and one is the get hash code API. This particular two APIs are used to uniquely identify a particular node in a collection. So the collection that we are using here is the hash set collection. For in the hash set, we all know that hash set can only contain unique nodes. It cannot contain duplicate nodes. Therefore, how will you identify a unique node in a collection in that hash set? So for that, we have to implement IEqualityComparer of node. So the main point here I want to stress is how I came to know that I have to implement this IEqualityComparer interface. There are many other interfaces which are there. If you just try to search iComparer interface, iComparable interface is there, iComparer interface is there. Therefore, which interface we have to implement? So how I came to know that I have to implement this iEqualityComparer. If you have any thoughts, to comment in the comment box how I came to know this interface I have to implement. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. And what, how I came to know that we have to implement this iEquality comparer is, what I just did is I did an F12 on this headset, and when I did F12, I was able to see the entire source code of headset. All thanks to Visual Studio 2022. Therefore, Visual Studio 2022 was able to decompile the hash set, and it was able to display the source code for us. So you can see in Visual Studio 2022 the entire implementation of HashSet or any other standard Microsoft library which is out there. You'll be able to decompile the source code from its DLL, and you will be able to see the implementation directly. So what that provides is you'll be able to see the internal implementation of many of the APIs the HashSet. For example, if I go to the contains API which is implemented in the HashSet, I go to contains here. The contains API, what they are doing is they are just nothing but they are just checking the hash code of the items in the container, and they are calling an equals API on the comparer object. Therefore, what this comparer is, if you just hover over it, you will be able to see the comparer is of type IEqualityComparer, and you can do F12 on it, and you will be able to see that there is a member variable called comparer. And if you do search across the code, you will be able to see this comparer is being used in many of the member functions which are out there, like contains, remove, get object data, deserialization, and add if not present. All those member APIs where we want to check if that particular node is already present in the data collection or not, in the hash set or not. We are using we are this hash set is leveraging the help of iEquality comparer interface. So with this thing, it is pretty clear that hash set uses this iEquality comparer. So we have to implement this iEquality comparer of node. and we have to implement these two interfaces, and we have to supply suitable logic which can be used to uniquely identify the node. Currently I am using the identifier to uniquely identify the node in the collection. So the main takeaway from this video should be that you will be able to know, you will be able to easily check the internal implementation of any data structure that you are using. If you are opening in Visual Studio 2022, it will be able to easily decompile the source code for you. Be able to check the internal implementation of this thing, and you will be pretty clear as to why you are doing certain things. Normally, previously, what we used to do is we used to just check the online articles and check to see which interface to implement or how to uniquely identify a particular object in a hash set. So those things can be easily, those logics is easily backed up by the source code implementation, which you can see in Visual Studio 2022. So that's it I want to cover in this video. Do share this particular video in the WhatsApp group, and do share your thoughts in the comment section, or any other topics that you want to discuss, or any C++ topic that you need to discuss in detail. You just share this particular, you share the thought in the comment section, and do like, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. That will be pretty helpful. And signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.